spill that juice where it is not. Pick it up. Pick up the juice, put it on the bench. Thank Come help? Good girl. You got some to me so I can put them away? Thank you. Come, bring it over here. Alright, put it in the basket. Good job. Alright, there's some more. Here you go. More. Good job. Good girl. All right, now close the drawer. Say all done. Good job. Okay, Crazy. Good morning. I just filled the sink up with a little cleaning solution sort of situation because I'm gonna do like a wipe down of all of the countertops and cabinets. So I just feel like everything's a little bit grimy and hasn't gotten a thorough clean, but the dishwasher is running. I love it when I wake up in the morning and the dishwasher is running. I know some people like it where you run it at night, but then when you wake up in the morning, you have to unload it like I just did, and I would rather have just enough room in there for the breakfast dishes so I can put everything in there and start it and unload it later after the hectic morning routine of like getting you ready for school and things like that. But luckily I did have some help this morning because my mom lives close enough that she can take Annie to school for me, which is ultra convenient because I don't have a car right now. My car broke down. It's fine. It's getting fixed. No biggie. But the kitchen was an absolute wreck when I got up this morning because last night we got the babies down at 7:15. So nice. And I know that some people might be like, sweet, we got the babies down early. Now I have plenty of time to do all the things. I did none of the things. I went to bed at like before 8 and I got like 10 hours of sleep. It was so nice, and I woke up this morning, the kitchen was a wreck. lunches weren't packed for school and nothing was ready, and I didn't care because I slept so well. It was glorious. And now that Amy's off to school, even though I still have the baby with me and she is kind of like in a mood because she's teething, I can still get so much done. So let's do a little wipe down of everything. Little vacuum. Hi, kitty kitty. Here, wipe your mess. You made that mess, you had a spill. Wipe it up. Good job. Wipe. Good girl. Lou is so funny about vacuuming. Whenever she hears me take the vacuum out of the laundry room, she comes running and she goes, ready, ready. She wants to help. She's a great little helper. You are so good. I'd say the number one difference between having one kid and two kids has probably been like how filthy the floors are all the time, especially with Lou. Like, Amy could do sensory bins and things like that very responsibly at this age, but Lou is very much into getting messy. Her favorite thing is to spill. She'll ask for a cup of water and I put just like a couple drops in it because the second I give it to her, she goes, spill, and pours it all over the ground. So there's like milk spilled on the ground. There's unidentified grimy objects stuck to everything. I spend a lot of time vacuuming and mopping. Thank you. Thank you. Can I have it? Have it? Thank you. You guys saw me take my comforter outside. We have a really heavy comforter and duvet cover because we both like a lot of weight on us at night. And so while we do wash it regularly, obviously, I really like to take it outside and like drape it over the porch rails for like half the day to just let it air out and like let our bed breathe because it is so heavy, it is so thick. I feel like our mattress doesn't breathe. So when I change out the sheets, I usually take the comforter outside and just let it breathe out on the deck for a little while, and it's under the cover of the porch, so it's not like it's gonna get bird poop on it or something like that. So I did that, did a small little tidy of the living room, vacuumed. Now I need to steam mop. I just have to find my mop covers because I'm having trouble finding that this morning. I don't know where I would have put those. But it is 10:39. My mom will be picking Annie up from school at noon, and they'll get here around 12:30, 1 o'clock, and I'll have lunch ready for them. And then it'll be time for a little bit's nap. Come on. Chair. Your chair? Do you want it back in the living room? I'll carry it back over there for you. Just the front entrance. That's nasty. This is where Millie is, right back here, so she can watch over our girls. Yeah, Sissy watching over you. She's a good sissy dog, wasn't she? Like your flower. Kitty kitty wee. I kitty 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 wee. One, two, three. Good job. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Oh, you just murdered little girl. you.